Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're a current subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you are not, I highly recommend you subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I make a new video. In today's video, we are going to do the Sephora Play unboxing for the month of March 2018. If you do not know what a Sephora Play is, it is a beauty subscription service. You receive a box with 5 samples in it from high-end makeup or the Sephora brand makeup. I have already opened this box, as you can see here, because I was filming this and had some technical difficulties and have to redo it for you guys, but that's my fault, not yours. So in the box, on the lid, it always has a little saying. This one says love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. That's about all it says there. And then it comes with a little card. This card says festival beauty vibe. Are you going to a festival this year? And then you follow the thing and blah blah blah. Who cares, right? Who cares what that says? On the back side, it gives you the products and how much they're worth and what they do or what they're for. Then on the little corner here, it gives you a Sephora Beauty Insider card for 50 points that you can redeem at the store with a purchase. Okay, so let's get right into the box. So here is this month's Sephora bag, and as you can see, it is the color blue, which is so cute. It's like a tie-dye blue. How cute is that? And this one says, beauty is my spirit animal. So I am randomly gonna pull stuff out and show you guys. So first things first, dun 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 dun. We have a excessive black Lancome 0.135 fluid ounce Hypnose Drama mascara. Gotten this before, nothing special. I mean, it's good to have mascaras, but really, I've gotten like 3 of these already. Next, we're gonna pull out the next item. Oh, this is the perfume sample. You get 5 items plus a perfume sample, so this is the extra, I guess, from the bag. And this month we got My Burberry Blush Eau de Parfum. 2 ml, 0.06 fluid ounce, little sample. We're just gonna pull the sample out, spray it on the card, and see what it's all about. Okay, it's nice. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like Dove soap. So it's a light scent, kind of like baby powder and floral at the same time. I don't know, I'm not good at describing perfumes, but I'd wear it, why not? Does smell fresh. Perfect for spring, which is right around the corner. Technically it is spring, but it doesn't feel like it yet here where I'm at. Next. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is a Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in the color 26 Neutral Sand Sable. Okay, just a little sample of a powder. Nothing too fancy smanchy. Next, okay, we have a little spray bottle here and the string. Okay, this is the Briogeo or Briogeo or Briogeo or Briogeo. Just kidding. Okay, this is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. So this is a hair product. I guess if you're into hair stuff, this would be cool. I don't think I've gotten this before, but I'm not really too into hair stuff, so it's alright. I guess it's volumizing spray, so maybe I'll give it a try since my hair is just like that all the time. But you get a hair product. Next, oh, okay. Okay, so this is a Sephora cleansing water, triple action cleansing water. Just a little sample. I have a billion cleansing waters right now, so this is like, again, blah. It's whatever. Cleansing water isn't even really that expensive to begin with. So the sample is just like, okay, thanks. Next, okay. This is the Coola SPF 30 Organic Makeup Setting Spray with hyaluronic acid. And again, I've gotten this before, so I'm not excited about this product either. I mean, it's a setting spray. I will use it. It'll get its use, but I'm not excited about it. And that is all for this month's bag. So the review for this month's bag is 2 thumbs down. I was not excited about most of the products. I think I was more excited about the perfume sample than anything else in the bag this month. 2 items were repeated. The other one, I'm not crazy about hair products. And then we get a Sephora brand powder, which I was expecting something like Tarte, Benefit, you know, Makeup Forever. We got nothing this month. So, wasn't my favorite month, but the bag is cute. And I'll definitely be using it for something else. Maybe for my purse. This is cute. Other than that, it was alright. I guess I will just have to wait till next month and see what that one brings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to get notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.